What's going on YouTube? Vik-Werks checking in another video for the 07 F-150. I'm sure this is going to go for the 04 to 08 models. OEM F-150 skid plate and transfer case protective, whatever they call it. I forget the nomenclature. I'll put the link on the description on the forum where I got this. Obviously my 07 didn't come with it. I know RSI had their own variant, and unfortunately it's been discontinued. I guess didn't really have a demand for it, and now that I own this vehicle, it's one of those situations where I wish I could. For the same price, I probably could have got a better design to cover a bigger area as compared to what the OEM solution is. But, you know, nevertheless, I still was able to source these parts. They're still available from either your local dealership or online, whichever route you decide to go. Just giving you pretty much live content, so that way you guys can see it and not have to look at pictures. And it's pretty easy to put. You basically use these self retainers with nuts. I call these pretty much like somewhat of a revision of a nut shirt. I don't know the nomenclature for it. And then obviously there's your bolts, and 4 per side, same as this one, where basically it sits right here on the chassis, and then the lower part right there, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for checking my channel. Subscribe, let me know what you guys think. Talk to you guys then.